In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project progress in Jira using boards, timelines, and burn down charts. If you've ever needed to give a quick status update on a release or sprint, you already know how messy it can feel when information is spread across lots of separate issues. The good news is that Jira gives you a few built-in ways to see progress clearly without digging through everything one card at a time. We'll start from the main workspace, then look at board columns, the timeline view, and finally the burn down chart so you can monitor delivery from both a visual and a reporting perspective. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian cloud site or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're logged in and the main dashboard loads, open the software project you want to review. This takes you into the project workspace where your board and tracking tools live. As soon as the board opens, take a moment to scan the columns from left to right. You'll usually see stages such as to do, in progress, maybe code review, and then done. This layout gives you your fastest progress snapshot. The number of issues in each column helps you understand how much work is waiting, how much is actively being worked on, and how much has already been completed. Even this simple board view can quickly reveal bottlenecks. For a broader view, move to the left sidebar in your project navigation. This is where you shift from day-to-day task tracking into higher-level planning and delivery progress. Near the top of that sidebar, click Timeline. In some Jira setups, this may be labeled Roadmap. When it opens, you'll see your larger work items laid out across time. This view is especially helpful for tracking features and release progress over a longer period. Now look at the epic bars on the timeline. These bars summarize progress visually. Jira calculates progress based on the work connected to each epic, and the progress indicators help you see what's completed and what's still in motion. If you hover over a bar, you can usually view a more detailed breakdown, which is great when you need precise status information before a meeting or stakeholder update. If you want a more analytical sprint level view, go back to the left sidebar and click Reports. From there, choose Burn Down Chart. This report compares your team's actual progress against the ideal sprint pace. It's one of the best ways to spot whether work is tracking normally or whether scope changes and delays are affecting the sprint. Before you finish, return to your main board, timeline, or report view and quickly confirm that the data looks right. Check that issue counts make sense, progress bars are displaying clearly, and the burn down chart reflects the sprint accurately. That final review helps ensure you're working from a reliable